How to convert a PDF file into a Word document. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's get started. So, in order to convert a PDF into a Word document, first here is the sample of a PDF. So to convert this, you need to head back to the home screen of your laptop or PC and click on the search icon at bottom left. Now search for Word. Click on Open at right side and your Word document will open after you click on Blank Document. After that, click on File at top left corner and select Open. Now you need to locate that particular PDF file that you want to convert into a Word document. So simply let's search for that. Then you simply need to launch that particular Word document and then you can easily see that we have converted the PDF file to a Word document. Now you can click on File at top left corner and now click on Save As. Now here you can easily locate a particular locations and then give the file a name, and here you can easily click on Save As Type on this drop down menu and click on Word document and click on Save button. After that, it will successfully convert a PDF into a Word document. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.